Can you hide your previous usernames on Roblox? Hey there, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, we're going to find out if you can hide your previous usernames on Roblox. So if you change your username often, Roblox shows a list of your past usernames on your profile. If you go to the Roblox website in a browser, log in and check in your account settings, like account info or privacy and security, billing, parental controls, and app permissions, you won't find any option to hide your previous usernames at all. So this feature is permanent. You can't hide your past usernames on Roblox. The only thing you can try is contacting the Roblox support by going to roblox.com/support and then contact them to hide your username. So this video isn't meant to spread false information. It's to inform you that the hiding previous usernames on Roblox is impossible. So if this video answered your questions, please like and subscribe for more quick tips. Thanks for watching.